Elan Web CRM codes are set up under the CRM icon from the main menu in Elan. There are two screens where privacy codes can be set up. The privacy codes allow you to add preferences to names in the database so that you can honor wishes to perhaps not be called, perhaps not be sent mass emails, etc. Obviously, these codes wouldn't prevent you from phoning someone or sending an individual email to someone, but these codes provide assistance when selecting mass lists of names for mass emails, mass promotions, etc. The first part of the setup can be found under the Privacy Code button under Elan Web CRM. These codes are also found under the Setup button in Elan, as the codes are used across all modules in the system. The Privacy Code setup allows for a great deal of flexibility. You may choose to set up codes that allow contact. You may choose to set up codes that do not allow contact. You may choose to specify codes for different methods of contact, and you may use different codes for different parts of your organization. Say, for example, if you sell exhibitions and you sell magazine advertising, you may use different codes for exhibition sales versus magazine advertising. Create a code, create a description. From the Method of Contact area, select a drop-down list. These codes may be used for email, fax, mail, phone, possibly even for renting out lists of names, or you may create a master code that is used across the system. You may then designate the name as being contact allowed or contact not allowed. And if you choose to, you can tie the code to different modules in the system or apply the code to all modules. These codes were designed to allow a great deal of power and flexibility within the system. However, you may not choose to give that level of complexity to the CRM part of the system. Therefore, the second part of Privacy Code Setup allows you to create some Privacy Code defaults. Here the codes are simplified by simply saying which code is used for allowing email, phone, fax, rental, or mailing, or which is allowed not. As you can see in my example, not all codes have been filled in. Tie to this screen whichever code is appropriate. All that the sales rep will need to do is check a radio button that says email not allowed, and the appropriate code that has been tied to this can be used. Don't have to select a code from a drop-down list, just to choose a simple yes or no, which will manage the codes you have set up within the system.